To the phone line we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Hello, Raga.
Yeah. Hi.
Why a long time you want call, you want can't get you. But I'm glad I get here now.
See it there.
Anyway. Why you tell me where you think about this, yeah?
Yeah.
Them two friends.
Yeah.
That the dancehall and everything.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Start enough.
Yeah.
One live with a dance keep. Like just say one day a country, one day a town. So them left town left go country. Right? So she always their country yard and got the dance them. Alright.
Right.
Raga?
Yeah.
Phone said to me, say, oh, when countryman, like she was there at the house and at the bed, and when countryman come, country and the man will come on the bed and do the things on the bed.
Well, set up part there again.
When countryman come,
yeah,
she was at the bed asleep from early out then. Country and her man come on the bed and do the start out them on the bed, while she upon the bed.
Right,
So at the time, them all graze against her, touch her, rub her, all of them something there. Alright.
While she upon the bed asleep, them come do it right there.
But she not asleep because she feel the touch because she tell me.
Then I must sleep if them do the things them on the right there on the bed. But go and talk, eh?
Alright, wait the Raga. So on the whole, some will heap a mix up and drama go on that them ears to the man that a countryman tell somebody say him do the things them with town.
Yeah.
So country get up now and spread it and big scandal and everything and excitement and the talking from country to town all about foreign to yard all about Raga. After the man attack say him do town, you know.
Yeah.
Town say I lie. What you that think, Raga?
Alright.
Anyway, she tell country said the man a look her. She said the man a look her too, you know. And them set up sting. So make the man come her yard, but she never did it. She did it which part country there. And all little schism. I don't know.
So hold on. Two friends, one come from town and one come from country.
Yeah.
And the one from town carry fear man go country.
No. Countryman. Town left go country.
Right. Yeah.
And stay a country yard more time.
Okay, right. And then why town and stay a country yard? Country bring in fear man and do the things and beside town?
Yes, and them all rub her sometime.
No, but
and then
the country and then the man have a talk say him do town too.
Yeah.
And then country have a vex.
For the cross,
and town take that for the cross and country have a vex with town.
Yeah, but because town they go tell country from early out to the man a look her.
So the man a look her. So from when country hears so the man a say him do town now, country now go think a true because town they tell her a long time so the man a look her.
Yeah.
But town a say nothing never go so.
But we don't know town is a techie. Town she not have no pause. Pan taking. Tambourine.
What you said? Town is a little techie, she not have no pause when it come for tech man, though.
Oh.
So in your mind, you feel you not put it past town for tech country, man.
You not put it past, sir.
But let me ask you something, though. Even though you don't put it past town for tech countryman and country is our friend. Don't you think the country is a damn idiot and a careless fly by night? What's it not fair sort out our man beside our friend?
But the two of them do nasty because me up on the bed and them alright, I feel them place.
Yeah.
And me near place and you come by your bed, me getting up.
No, that's true. You know, you're right. What town lay down there for? And then you talk about them and graze her. If I laugh, I dead either. You're right. The two of them, yo, don't pay them no mind. Birds of the two of them I see them damn thing. Don't pay them no mind. Don't pay them no mind. Talk about spreading your bed and sleeping in it. Don't pay them no mind. The two of them careless. Because, oh, you have a sort out. You can't imagine you all get some good sort out for your man right beside your friend. Then your friend must get jealous if it good.
No, you may have to get the things in graphic.
Them getting a detail, though. Well, we can't really go in a detail. Hey. But them are going with all of the things, them.
Yeah.
Hold on. All of the things, them.
You know, I hear all the things. Everything nice and make better shake. Or rock.
And then, and she laid up on the bed the same way. You know, say you're right.
And then I rub and I feel and I touch, but she don't know which one of them.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you how I really are going and them no want to admit it. Them did want to draw a town in a long time. But the two of them did want to draw a town in a it and it never. Listen to me, man. Listen. What?
He feels say.
What?
Them go on with the volleyball sums, them, the maths.
Oh.
The them go on with the maths.
Oh, so wait, you believe say them did just them move from 1 + 1, them move from addition and go to multiplication.
Yes.
What?
None of the two of them have no manners for taking, you know.
Well, the two of them. You know, say you're right. No, I feel say, hold on. Me feel say. You're right, you know, so the things go on and the damn boy chat too much and go run up his mouth and go chat where enough for chat and I saw them start protect themselves here. Me feel say that go on.
One of both so say, oh, you do the guy dirty and really,
I think the man go too hype and go start run up his mouth say him a bounce two of them here. Him should
because what you're the man boss, no raga.
Yeah.
The man I want like must want me not for foreign country.
Yeah. Talk up.
Yeah, the man must be there one foreign country and the immigration.
Mm-hmm.
Take him and send him back to where him come from.
Mm-hmm.
Timbuktu.
Mm-hmm.
And when they reach at Timbuktu,
yeah,
they must have buck up on one little boy will say him the town. But town say I like. So him and the boy must be attacking and the two of them share them story about what them do. And I saw it bust out back and the boy will talk and spread it and it reach all about it reach a country and town and foreign all both right.
Alright. Yeah, that me sure, you know, that's why some woman must have some man, you know, because some man are really idiot, you know. Because here I know. Yeah. You see, even if him they do the things with the two of them, right? You see when him drop back and him hear all a man say him do town, him shouldn't even say nothing, you know.
Nothing.
Him should have just hold it and easy. But you have some a young boy sitting there doing them, I don't know. But you have some man them just love chat too much and make people draw them out. You see me? Him should have just hold it and go and easy. And if him want to ask her one away, him say, yo, so you and so I do the thing. Him shouldn't even say nothing to the youth the right that's so, you know.
That should have been for him little thing when
that should have been for him little thing and him hold it down. All if a man had done him, all if him had do up the girl, all if him had do up town wicked, you just easy and not say a word. Yeah. You understand? You know say with all due respect, me know say what they had done the two woman them, but with all due respect, you know that again, you know me I tell you that's why me talk the truth and the man them not like me. You know say the man me not rating of this. Because from what you are telling me, you know, it's after the man go run up him mouth and this or the dolly house smash up, you know.
Yeah,
now so it go.
Yeah,
it's after him go ring certain things that this so the woman them start protect themselves and end up and done them one another, don't it? Because which woman?
No. No such it can't. Lad rather me not really getting out too much graphics in the story.
Okay.
About Brad, but me not really too getting it.
No, because me refuse to believe so the friend I got just lay down there so when them a do them start out right out.
That she said
like shit.
Like shit. And I rob me. And he's a regular out there that shows.
No, me not say friend not do that, you know. Say you have some friend do that, you know. We did look at one time and thing and them a squeeze something on the bed beside people.
More than one time she said
but more than one time she happened and this and that. No, sir, something not right there, so. Something not right there, so.
You said them a right, because that means say I did some, them did I do.
Yeah, them did that, them increase the maths. Yeah, right? Them increase the maths. Them never do no subtraction. Them do the addition and them just put it down in a multiplication.
You lie down, Steve.
You listen to me.
Neither make a something.
Neither make a yata boy you get grace and you did all the grace. I was so that the grace is sweet so. No sir. So
like that you lie down, Steve.
Listen to me.
I want big something bust out, you know.
Hold on, listen to me. The addition did increase to multiplication and then it got to long division. Remember me tell you that. And then they all do square root. If I laugh, I went up nationwide carpet in there. But anyway, something to see if you can.
Then turn back friend.
Yeah. But most of them have to be good friends for do the things in the first place, you know. I tell them, I just told somebody just got. Right. Anyway, but that one the act though. That one the act. But me not believe Town said she laid on there and her friend them the friend country I do the thing then with the man and she laid on there and I get grace and Nia touch her upon her whatever and she now all liar. No was. Anyway, blessings here.
Yeah, man, Raga, big up yourself and big up the people in England and big up me, Lisa.
Mother. All right. Blessings.
Hello, Raga.
Greetings, yeah.
What go on?
There you know.
You see the lady will just come on and choose something. My face for the friend did do the things for the other friend. Come in a similar situation.
You didn't ask it. Oh, tell me about your situation.
Alright, me and my friend then we go a club, right?
Yeah.
And we didn't go back home, but you know, bad community and things are going so you can't go home to a certain time.
Yeah.
So we decided so we have to bounce it at the guy house. Me never know the guy, but she know him a couple months, right?
Right.
So we did it and we're going out of the room. Him have one bed in the room, so me got the bottom of the bed and the two of them take the top. And she whispered on my ears and say,
well, what you mean bottom of the bed and the two of them take the top? What you mean?
Me lie down at the bottom of the bed and them lie down at the top.
Across with the bed, you not sleep?
No. My foot there for them head.
Oh, okay, all right. Your head at the bottom of the bed and them, okay, yeah.
Yeah. So, like, couple minutes, me hear the bed a jerk and whatever. I'm paying no mind because she tell me say she go do her thing.
Right.
Like, further on down in that rag, I feel somebody has squeezed my foot. But the fingernail them toss, so me not paying no mind. I say she feel pain. So she just squeeze the nearest thing to her, isn't it?
Okay. So your foot, the fingernail is sinking in your foot and you know it's a tall fingernail and long finger.
So me I say she, but I can't take it no more. Ragga because it sink weird under my skin, you know.
Lord,
When I look round, now the man a touch me, Ragga.
So the man fingernail him long?
Yeah.
Well, I don't details here. Yeah, go ahead. But go on, talk.
I know.
Yeah, not going on them details. Yeah, go on, talk. No, just say.
Put her bearded in.
Yeah,
Touch off for me. So, like, I get up in the bed and I say I walk on, but the guy cute, you know, Ragga.
I want cute guy, I want hot guy.
Ragga a money man, but him look good.
A money man and he look good.
Yeah.
So talk the truth.
So I did it and I get up in the bed and let me show him a sign because I don't really want her to feel no way, isn't it?
So you show him look a sign?
Stop. But him that and him like him ignore me, Ragga. Him not stop, Ragga.
So wait, you tell him to stop. Why you scored it up on radio?
Yeah, me I tell him, I text her on my phone. I tell him, say, don't touch my man. Man should look around and see. Me not follow up about nothing. Me no want. We are best friends. We don't want to follow out over one man. You see, man?
Right. And then what happened after that? Quick time ago.
Like, she get up and she go to the bathroom. And when she come back, like, me and him in there talk and I say, don't touch me again because me and you got have things.
Right.
Ragga, me really want him to touch me, you know.
Thank you for being honest. Your body did a call theme, no?
You know, Ragga, then if you hear them things, they are going.
So, but what you
so,
think?
Like, when she go to the bathroom and she come back, like, she come sit inside of me and she tell me, say, she go, like, she want me and him and she for do the thing, right? Even though I want to do it, like, me I say, no, you know, you try to play nice girl.
Right.
But you want to do it thing in a Ragga.
Okay.
Like, after a while, she said, do not just do it now. And then, like, my daddy, I think about it. She asked him, him ready to say yes a long time, I know. But it's Ragga.
You can't say it. You can't say it.
Alright.
No, but in terms of code, him stay well.
Yeah, him good, him proper.
Alright. Yeah, you
That's Ragga.
We run out of time, but let me ask you straight and plain. You did do it eventually?
Yeah, we did do it, Ragga, but not for long, because I never did really want her to think no way.
Well on. You think it matter if you did do it short or long? As long as you just do it.
Why? I mean, also me enjoy myself, you know.
Okay then, alright then. Okay. So you don't feel no weird then about it or anything?
No, afterwards, she kind of makes you do it with my boyfriend.
You switch back and go do it, yeah? You go do it? Okay, alright. So the two of just a share so then?
Yeah, we just like...
But tell me something. You have some people that listen to you now and I hear you say them things and I say, Jesus have mercy at them things you go on to Jamaica, them breed a slack. And he said, what you da say to them people?
Well, rather, I don't know. I'm going to say me enjoy myself because life's short.
Alright then, blessings here.
Yeah, man, later.
Yeah, man, take care. Hey, I tell you, some crisscross, some breeder sitting there going out there, and it's early, I know. Oh boy. And these are the things the people them don't want you know about, say it happen. That me I tell you. You just bring up any topic and them things that come out and all them things. It's a mix-up. Just give one a good mix-up, no shorty.
Raga, alright. This girl live a country with her man, Raga.
Yeah.
After she there country with her man no really have it.
Yeah.
So she get a phone call now, a different man call her and start look her.
Yeah.
The man call her and tell her how him rich and him how much vehicle him have and him have him own a house or something.
Yeah.
So she fi come live with him.
Yeah.
She now make the man tell her certain things. She believe the man now, Raga. She now left country come at the man yard. Yes, when she come, Raga. Yes, when she see, she asks which part, the address their name, direct her and tell her. I want piece of old zinc up fence to go which part the man there, Raga. One piece of old board house, Raga. The man don't have no foot.
The man have no foot at all?
No, Raga, the man not have no foot and sit down on him bottom on the ground, Raga.
Until I say my big house and be a sitting.
Yes, Raga.
So how she manage when she come and she go see that the no foot man and that the zinc up board up?
Raga, she couldn't believe she want drop down cause she tell her family them a country say she find rich man at home and she come at home come live with rich man.
Jesus.
She tired of poor life.
So she tired of poor life and left her man for another country and come and say she live with rich man.
Yes, Raga, when she come the man can't even help herself, Raga.
The man can't even help herself for that son. No, the
man can't help himself, Raga.
Oh, he can't help himself. Okay.
No, Raga, the man can't help himself. The man sit down and drunk on him bottom, Raga.
Okay.
And she couldn't even believe. She just stand up like she and say, I really that's a war. And then when she start tell the man friend them now and something, one of his friends said to him, say, girl, you too licky, and that happen to her when you no licky.
Have a good man. But she a idiot. She can't talk to man on phone and make man tell her then sitting there and run gun this and don't even know where she are going and all them things.
I rather see him so she would go make man kill her.
See that too. I kill this girl, man. She kill this man. You can't man a lyrics up.
Them say, from the woman them start come on your show and attack all them can man and them something there. The man them say them just get wiser. Them not take up their money and give no woman again.
What?
The woman them come on your show.
No, I don't mind sure cause the man them get wiser a long time, but the woman them get wiser too because remember say man can woman too, you know.
Yes, Raga.
Okay.
But them say when them listen to some things what woman do on your show, it only help them to get a more sense, Raga.
Oh, zin.
Yes, Raga, enough. Me learn off of your show. Remember say, enough love, I'm always love you. And Saturday, yeah, Raga.
Saturday, shorty from Sligoville, set up the car. You don't know something.
You come walk with two of your friends. Two.
You want, why two shorty?
One for me and one for Johnny Poo.
Okay, so if I bring two, I'm a pair of them.
Yes, Raga.
One for you and one for Chunipo.
Yes, Raga.
All right, let me see what I can. Big up Chunipo. How Chunipo get that name in the chat?
Raga, we call her so.
All right.
Good up, sister.
All right, then big up Chunipo to the world.
Yes, Raga.
All right, chat, that's the word, man.
Yeah.
Jado, but now, like, yo, I want to go on there, so. Jamaican people them have some name. How she get that name, man? Chunipo. I name the shot still, you know. Yo, okay, bounce our next caller. If we want some mix up on the topic right you know. People who Tek them friend, man or woman mix up. Hello. Yeah, greetings.
What Ragashanti?
But there, you know, what I go do?
How are you? A country on the line.
Who this country girl?
Yeah,
Country girl in the building. What's up, girl?
Not much. Listen, we said, this is your house. This is your temple. This is where your heart's supposed to be.
Okay.
In your house, in your temple, uncle.
Mm-hmm. This is where I heart to be. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm own mix up. I'm not mix up your type of I'm own mix up.
Rinse the things, them country girl. Let's say a word, yeah.
Ragashanti.
Whoa.
Me when I breathe, but me stop.
What? Oh, you mean you did a breed, boy? You stop. What you for breed and stop? If you're pregnant, you're pregnant. Did you have an abortion?
A country talk.
A country talk.
I was pregnant, and now I have a beautiful baby girl.
Okay, all right then. So, okay.
And I never tell you why, because me know so the player haters them want know, but through my fact them never know so the belly did it.
Hold on, though. Hold on. Never tell you how me get the mix up. Me here say true you fat, you never did know say you pregnant. It's true?
Them a idiot.
No, voila, but you never watch it on TV. It's a well, if a fat man pregnant and I know say them pregnant until them have the baby. You never see it yet?
Me not watch foolishness, rather.
No, hold on, country girl. That is not foolishness. A real thing, me I tell you, say there have been quite a few cases where woman pregnant for a while and never know say them pregnant and think them have stomach ache like a little diarrhea or them lactose intolerant and that time them breathe the whole time and don't know. So it is quite possible. So me I ask you, when you did find out say you pregnant?
February, I do something January, find out February, calling daddy, and him say, yeah.
Hold on. When you say you do something January?
Yeah.
What you mean? You start out January?
Yeah, I start out the 6th of January.
The 6th of January?
Realize February, so I have something.
What date of February? What date of February you realize say you're pregnant?
The 10th.
Eh?
The 10th of February,
Okay, the 10th of February?
Yes.
You realize say you're pregnant the 10th of February, yes?
Definitely.
So that was before the 6 weeks?
Yes.
Okay, all right then.
But I'm a good like that, I must know.
And you must know, so you know right. Quick then?
Yeah, me know quick.
Quick question. The start out did shot?
Bad.
Okay, good. And hold on, who you start out with, your good man?
Me good man.
Okay, so I never like a one dash out you make and then you go breathe.
No. Me not dash out is like good man.
Are you good man? So, I say you have your baby now?
Yeah, I'm sorry, Ragashanti, them never know the player haters them. Because you say, me did come on here and say, Uncle Raga, the pregnant.
Yeah.
Me never the add over a place. So when dirty boy and I'm late, and you almost say me pregnant, you climb the architecture in front of me yard gate. And look, it's no man, they come on my yard, but him never know.
Why you have the baby in your house, country?
My God, shop on the pay and take me so son go down. Things say me want with when me try to go with Edward come and everything. So in my room, cause I'm so fast.
Hold on. You are tell me, say, when the baby decide for come out, that's 9 months after then, right?
No, I about 2 weeks earlier.
Yeah, about
6 of this month.
Hold on. All right. So it's 8 months and 2 weeks, right?
Yeah.
So in the 8 months and 2 weeks region, you know, say your due date come up, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you are tell me, say, you feel like say you want pee and the baby in a part of.
The pain, you know, me know say baby go up because I know what it's like. So I may tell you, say, when me go down, grab my bag and everything, I feel like I want wee. Go in for wee at the head water burst.
And the water burst. And then what happened after that?
And then, me know say she they come up and I feel like they come and in my room and my mother deliver me. 6:40, 22nd of September.
The 22nd of September? Okay.
I will go straight to hospital. When me to hospital, no me hear one bag of things. When I'm in the talk, say the dirty player haters them say, me have baby, I put my baby in a towel, and me put my baby in a yellow nightie, and me not have no clothes, and me not have what lady use a monthly time. Rather, it was so disgraceful. But
so hold on now. So I chew them, hold on, country girls. So I chew them never know, say, one, you did pregnant, and two, you never have the baby at hospital, you have the baby in your house suddenly. So when they put them two things together, them conclude, say, one, you never know, say you're pregnant and the baby comes suddenly and all them things, right?
Yeah, because them put it in a for them way.
Okay. And the truth, you are tell? No.
Me mix up, but me and a liar. Me also mix up.
Country girl, well, alright, country girl, don't move, you got a break. Don't move, we're coming right back to you, here?
Stand up, me now move, me stand up.
Turn up! Okay. Hey man, welcome back up in our Mixup and Blenda sitting with me, the king of Mixup, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Ragashanti. Alright, you know we are going back a reason with Country Girl, and just to kind of make you know what I want, people is sending the Mixup to me say, Country Girl is pregnant, I never know she's pregnant, and for all of the new listeners who don't know Country Girl originated out of one place named Donkey Lane up at Chilani there and sitting on our long time Mixup and Blenda family member and think I saw what things set. And then me tell Mr. Country Girl is pregnant and too she fat, she never know say she pregnant and thing and that the baby drop and be things and them all talk up be things. Say Country Girl, they go pick up a one man and a good man and be sitting and whatever. So Country Girl, I give you some clarification on the matter right now. Yes, Country Girl.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah. So, well, I mean, surely you can understand, you know, how some people would think, say, boy, you never know, you know, because one, you're fat. Two, you're fluffy. Two, you them never know say you're pregnant, because them say it never, you know, whatever, and you never met nobody know or whatever. And three, you end up have the pit near your house. But the story where you give it right now, that is plausible also. That is you know, it can go so for true. And things.
It can go so for true. I saw it go.
Yeah, all right, that's how it go. But so the baby you know.
She's pretty much alright. Well, I'm so sending something to you make you see her.
Alright.
And me public can come on the ear and say, my baby name Ragashanti a chin. Enough girl who would try to stop my flow of them pitney and can't call them pitney last name, much less the daddy.
True. Wait, why pitney last name, Country Girl?
Miss Chin.
Well, the pitney last name a Chin?
Yes, Chin.
You don't mind if me ask you if he was a Chinese man?
No.
And a Chinese man, but in the
he mix anyway.
He mix up and things. So
right.
So are you straight up good man this or like
good man.
Eh?
I'm a straight up good man.
Okay.
Him come, him identify him data and everything alright. So they kill them no Ragashanti.
And him own up the pitney and beer sitting down.
Oh no, my child.
You see.
Rain wet him up here last week Thursday and he will come in back this Thursday. So who wants to hear come on me yard gate? Then can't stop.
And tell me something now, the pitney mix up like you.
You want it, brother, you're too young.
Eh?
You're too young, go on here, me say, hey, say, Raymond.
Shocking! The pitney actually have two eyes.
Two eyes, don't mention him out.
He have two mouth too. Well, Country Girl, we appreciate the clarification and thing. I hear us dress up the people and we talk up the things and boy, everything is everything.
Thursday, me go clinic and one pata because the girl who they spread the room and mouth go miss and tell my cousin. So my cousin spell it out Ragashanti and tell me Thursday clinic. Me go upon her. She fly down for me chuck off her face. My mother go to her, talk to her and she give my mother one bitch lick on her breast and my mother give her a slug lick in her chest pitch in a clinic.
Well, Country Girl, it is a real out so. You chuck off her face and then your mother get involved and then she give your mother a bitch lick on her breast and then your mother give her a slug lick in her face.
One no in her face, in her chest, and picture her in a clinic. And she after what they tell people about how she give my mother one class lick in her face. Rather, my mother 6 and my mother when catch her, my mother that turn 13 to that 60.
Okay, the mother that get young pan her though.
Eh?
Your mother that get young pan her though.
Young. So I say they let me click get power and say, oh, stay in and stay out. Me, I go tell nurse apology. Okay. So, since you have young baby, I know nobody get in an argument with nobody. I don't just go and raise your pitney and thing, all right? Yeah, man. So me just call me. I'm a well for mix up. You know what? Me just call you for me part of mix up because me ever they touch people mix up.
All right.
My mix up, me mix up, but me I'm not a liar.
All right, Country Girl. Let's say a word here.
Good.
Blessings and respect and thing. And then you don't know, so we're going to link you back for some mix up and all them thing there, all right?
Right. Raga.
Wow.
It is part of everything about me. So come on for your radio. I went to go a club Cali and dance before Mount Belly and be this lizard break girl when they try to take my floor. So me laugh every day about that.
Okay. Oh, wait. When you did that club Cali when we had Chris Grass, you did 4 months pregnant?
Yeah. My belly was 4 months.
I went the backside here, tell me, say, you did 4 months.
Broke out, though.
Eh? No, and you broke up, man, because you wine and go down and do the things, man, because Chris Cross, that go and bad that night there too, you know.
And me allow me baby me that go down more because she just say good on mommy, good on mommy, good on mommy. And me say no me that time me they come up.
Okay.
So me didn't know.
Tambourine. Them say good on mommy, good on mommy, good on mommy. And you say no me that time me a come up. Alright, country girl, I say a word, you know, you don't know, so we rate you like that. I use a mix up, alright? Alright, blessing. And big up all of the Dan Killian massive and thing, Ragashanti, so ratings don't stop, yeah. Alright then. That was country girl, and I don't know, say, country girl ever bring it, you know, country girl in the CM rent. Well, not really CM, but, you know, she has second back on me up there, you know. And take to the phone line to go top of the morning. Good afternoon. Oh, Lord. I'll get it at some point. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, brother.
What's up?
I mean, again, if I'm with me, I try call you. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, but they are weird. Anyways, I have a mix-up for you.
Yeah.
It's a two-sister mix-up.
Yeah.
Anyway, one of the sister, she was a friend of mine.
Yeah.
And I wanted to find out, say, her sister and her baby father start out.
So the sister where your friend find out say her baby father sort out for her sister.
Yeah.
Give me the detail. How she find out? How she come for find out? Wow.
The thing is a thing where they're going from before the pregnancy.
Talk up a little louder, yeah.
Yeah, it's a thing where they're going from before the pregnancy, right?
Oh, Zane.
And she be kind of suspicious of the whole thing.
Wait, who there with the man first?
The baby mother.
That are your friend?
Yeah.
Okay, alright then. Yeah.
Anyways, that was before she became the baby mother.
Yeah.
Anyways, so she was in the house one at a time and only she drop asleep and thing, and when she walk going in the living room section, the two of them she see. And them tell her 1 million sorry, and you know, she say, alright.
Well, two of them she say how?
Yeah.
What them I do?
Start out, man.
So wait, she drop asleep one time and then go in the living room and say, that time she didn't pregnant yet?
No.
This is before?
Yeah.
So she go catch them and start out?
Yeah.
I do the things them. Which part? What am I do the things them?
Up on the couch.
In the couch.
Yeah.
Pan the angle and I see. Oh, that's not important.
I never go into details.
Yeah,
right? But anyways.
You know my thing about the couch angling.
Yeah.
But go on time.
That me say too.
Yeah.
But anyways. Yeah. Them give her 1 million sorry and things. She say another time she catch them in the shower.
Well, so after she catch her sister sort out her man, them give her 1 million sorry and she hold that and cool.
Yeah.
And then after that, what happened again?
She go up on the road.
Yeah.
And when she come
this
back,
is a different time now.
Yeah. When she come back home and thing.
Yeah.
It's like she realized that the gate lock. Because the old gate stay, you have to put in your hand inside for opening it.
Yeah.
Inside. I mean, like my girl say, oh, the gate lock so tight, and me never left it away. So anyway, when she go in and knowing said it happened already, she be kind of suspicious because she knows the both of them inside there.
Yeah.
Anyways, my lady say she go in and go straight in the bathroom. And she can see the suspicious look on her sister's face, you know. When she in there, she say, yo, make sure move the bathroom curtain. So when she move the curtain, is there a baby father that stand up with him pants down?
Well, you mean him pants down in the bathroom?
Yeah, in the shower.
In the shower, so him jump in the shower quick?
Yeah.
Because
she come out of the bathroom as if she was using it for the bathroom.
Oh, the sister come out like she did use the bathroom quick.
Them time that the things them they should have go on with.
That time they know that go on with the things in the bathroom. Him did that clean out her sink, man.
My lady say, yo, what you going with?
Then tell me something now. Then him never pull up in pants after him jump.
No, you don't say I idiot. No.
Him never pull up in pants after him jump.
You hear me now, Reggae? My man say, yo.
But if I really idiot, if the sister walk out, him shouldn't jump behind the curtain.
Exactly.
Him should have stand up there and a pee and as soon as him woman come in, him say,
like
yo, nobody thinks anything happening now. People may have pee and she not coming, but him go run get from him in the bathtub, you know, say, me just a saying, not that me would have do that. Anyway, go on.
Always I read and thing, Reggae, remember?
Yes, I have read. Yes. Go on. Yeah, go on.
Yes, so anyways, my man say, boy, she come in the bathroom, come see him. Like, she come in the bathroom and him going in the shower, go hide. So basically, when I try to say...
So him run going in the shower, go hide with him pants down?
Yes, so basically, when I try
really bright.
When I start out, she not even didn't know say him in the bathroom. That's the excuse.
Okay, and go and talk. What happened after that?
Anyways, eventually, she said she overlook it and thing. But when she tell me...
Boy, with all due respect, at this point of the story, your friend is a damn idiot. But go and talk.
And she talk to me as an older person. I look upon her and when she tell me she don't put done in her high pregnancy stage.
Yeah.
Right? And I said to her, I said, oh, you keep this so long? Because when she tell me, I was so surprised. Because this happened from before she even got pregnant. You understand me? I say, yo, oh, you just tell me this. Oh, you manage this. Because this obviously it stress you out.
Well, in the interest of time, though.
Anyway,
she didn't catch them after that, or she catch them after she had the baby?
Rather, she catch them whole heap of time, and she and the sister live good as ever. Can't come between them. And them say share, man. Me don't know them close.
But let me ask you something now. You have a sister?
Yeah, I have a sister. All of my sister them older than I am.
All right, then. I'm sure you love your sister them and you defend your sister and your sister.
Yeah, I could do my sister.
If you did in another position there, you catch one of your sister do that to you now. What you do?
Boy, trust me. But then I call for her face still. Then,
and then after you knock off her face, what you do?
Then maybe I probably seek an explanation, not from him but from she.
No, and then you get an explanation, and what you do after?
Depends on what the explanation is and the relationship between me and my sister.
Okay, your mate would have stay with him.
So yeah.
All right, and so you stay with him and you realize say him still a palm regularly and your sister bright enough a palm with him regularly. What you would do eventually now?
Alright, hear my mistake. I would have stayed, but say for instance I stayed.
Right.
I realized that I go on. But I just cut. I would have stayed. Because I not go war with him.
Alright, then let me ask you a next question now. Say you did go stay and then you go breed and then I pick the female thing. And then no, because I'm telling you all the while, life is lived in the grey areas. When we're not in a situation, it's really easy for us to think in black and white. So put yourself in another position, you know. You have pitney. And things just are too wonderful and whatever, this and that and ray. And every time you ask him whatever, him say, are you, or just you rating, or you and baby mother and ray. What you do? You that still stay with him knowing full well.
I'm done see through that already, say a fool, I'm going to take my far. Because when him tell me that, it's like, he might try to assure me, say, boy, him not do it again. And I mean rate. But when him not really rate me,
the
respect not really dead.
So me ask you straight up, you not left him?
Every minute you ask me straight up question. How do you? Yeah, I would have left him. Right?
All right then. Yeah. So you'd have left him knowing full well say your sister go take him. Knowing full well say people are going to work and say your sister take away your man from him. Your baby father from you. You'd have do that.
Yeah, left him.
You left him.
Yeah, left him.
And you'd have bear the stigma. You'd have bear the stigma and people are done yesterday.
No, I want to tell you say not right about now.
Yeah.
Watch people you know reach
exactly.
I look on it and I go say boy, I'm in a relationship for 12 years and people did I say boy, them are going like them can't left and I look then how him left her or him this her for her sister. I'll tell you something now. You can't watch what people I say.
See it there.
You understand? You're not reaching now. Straight.
See that. But you know, see a whole heap of people in a similar situation, and because them no want people go say, yeah, your sister take away your man and this and that, when your body pop down, and your sister this and that more than you and Ray. And she have the glimmer to glam, the sticky to slam it, and forget me not and Ray. And when the man go a year address him never met him go a year address and what me do it one time and forgot your address and I know him way for go back him last and Ray. And them start talk up the things them and Ray. Me nah let me leg man. Me nah let me leg me just tell you the woman them go. Yo, well, nastiness a style me.
Yeah, hear it, yes.
A style me. Me no want you style me, no, because you know say you could have talk about yourself and not talk about your friend too.
No, I'm not talk about
you could have talk about yourself and not talk about your friend too. So how that born you say a while ago? I was simulating how the woman them go on a while ago. I say myself them boy you go like you want style. Don't bright yourself, you know. Don't bright yourself, you know. Don't bright yourself, you know. Don't bright yourself.
Don't catch this man.
Hold on, darling. Tell me when it come on, man. Okay, you can't say them things, you know. You can't, wrap yourself no afternoon radio. Remember, you can't done me, but no. You can't cuss me and done me, but no send a little thing the car where I keep the thing upon our level. No, man. No, hold on now. The thing we kept. Hold on.
Shoes and mystical shoes in a real life.
Hold on, my girl. Listen to me.
Don't call me my girl. My name is Bundy. Al Bundy this.
Al. I don't hear.
Boy, yeah, come, boy.
If I didn't know say you, we say Al. If I didn't know say you, look a maga mosquito girl. See if I didn't know say you.
I have a confession for me. I remember the phone call with the call. Try to remember a couple good while now. I was the last call at the show. I call him. I said, Raga. Imagine me I call the phone and I let it on a baby, I love you. I want to know which girl come down to the studio. No.
Are you did not keep up your arms out?
Yeah.
You all crosses, you. No, but Bundy, what me I say? You know things say the boot shot in a kid shoe shot in a boy, you know things say it never really go with the dress so she did away.
Well, it's green in it, and she feel comfortable wearing green, purple, pink, or orange. I fear thing that wear any color with the dress.
No, the boot, it never match. It never match. And Marsha, hold on, Marsha and them are defend her because of them. You know, well, me understand them are defend them friend, but Marsha Ridgeline and the one Tantan and think them are defend her because of friend thing, but the boot never really go with the dress. And that me say, you understand? I mean, I hold that. So wait, you still do nails?
Yes, I work. I'm lift coming out the bathroom because my customer want hear the radio, so I just lift coming out the bathroom.
So why your bathroom I go and go because when I hear an echo? Usually when I go in the bathroom, exactly. So if I something, I hope you know one of them will put some big old picture in your bathroom and all them something like a living room, you know.
No, Raga. Okay.
Are you sure about bathroom?
Like a washroom.
Because you know, strike me as somebody with a bathroom in your house, you know. You strike me as
outside bathroom, that's a night, you know.
Outside bathroom. It's so like when you use a bathroom, a bush, you say, no?
Yeah, I don't know. Now, for whole bush, girl, for whole bush sometimes. You see there.
Her name is An Blenda, and she's on the Ragashanti while at her mouth light and rank and feisty.
Big up.
That's your word, man. You see it? Our family will say blessings here.
Melbu, big up yourself.
That's your word. Melbu, all. Remember say we the pan radio. But what you think about Mel and the finger issue, right? You know.
I see her finger. She's a goal.
All right, that's your word. You know.
Yeah.
But she have a condition.
Big up, Joy.
She have a condition, then why?
Big up.
Big up, Joy.
Nurse. Kids, Tantan.
It's not a big up show. Thank you.
I know this is the way you want to say, no, can me come down at that field.
Okay.
That I tell you.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. No, hold on. You notice I'm going to go up on the wall, this man, I'm at it up. One thing I have to say about kids. Kids have a way, and sometimes I have to cuss out or what's it not. But kids never complain it when anybody are done her. You notice that?
You know, them are all back on you.
Eh?
They call three names where all back on you. Kids, Tantan, and Karen. The whole of them are all back. You know, them are keep back off of the wall.
No, don't get involved in that.
Oh, all right.
Leave that alone, yeah?
I wonder if me know I worry.
Leave that alone, all right? Our blessings here.
See you later.
All right, babes, blessings and respect. Cool. Okay, now mix up, sure, so he thinks that. Bunks our next caller for me. Hello.
Raga.
Whoa.
Let me call out my name big and loud for everybody here because they mix me up with the first caller. This is D-Money, yeah.
Okay, who mix you up with the first caller?
Bobby
Shanti?
Yeah.
All right, listen now. We have to go cool off with all references to the wall because it's not everybody listening up on the wall and I don't want people feel left out. Because I notice a whole heap of wall people are calling and I don't want the show to be about the wall. All right? It's a mix-up show. So why I go down here now? Yeah.
Well, remember me tell you somebody I go form an investigative task force.
Yeah.
I did just that and Raga sit down. Sit down, Raga.
Me sit down. Yes.
About a month ago, there was this big cascade, which is it is unlike in the area that I live because it's real uptown.
Yeah.
So you know me couldn't come out with me two black and my pen and paper for take statement. You have to stay up on your balcony and look.
Right.
I hired this little man for do some work for me.
Right.
And these names are fictional, right? You have Mr. Brown, Mr. Black, and Miss Take It All and don't have nothing.
Mr. Brown, Mr. Black, Miss Take It All and don't have nothing. For sure, feet.
Right?
Yes.
Mr. Brown and Mr. Black are two construction workers. Them come from country.
Yeah.
And come in at the area. Get a nice place to live and settle in, right?
Yeah.
Because them do some work and money around.
Yeah.
Mr. Brown find this nice little brown skin girl and, them do them thing and a child was,
Yeah.
born.
Yeah.
Mr. Black grudged the man for the girl and,
Yeah.
True, Mr. Brown is a gambler.
Yeah.
Homemade.
Yeah.
And the girl say him have one of them little sausage type thing there.
Careful, yeah?
No, man, sausage. I cannot say sausage.
But no obvious reference though. But
okay.
Go on. Yeah.
All right. Itsy bitsy then.
Okay.
Take time, take it from her and everything good. And
so Mr. Brown, take time, take her.
Mr. Black, take her Mr. Brown girl.
Okay, because
take it all and don't have nothing say. Him now perform and him money now go nowhere.
Okay.
Mr. Black have it, live it up with it for about 2 months.
Yeah.
And Miss take it all and don't have nothing decide to eat now work out because I don't know what don't sweet her. So she moved back to Mr. Brown and them did kick it off. So some hear the big dirty arguments and I wonder what I go on. Fling her out, chew her out and cuss her, class her and done her properly.
Who fling out to one class her? Mr. Brown fling her out?
Mr. Brown fling out the girl because she want moving back on the man after she go down the road, go live with Mr. Black for about 2 months. Right? Now after she get thrown out again, the landlord take it up and have it in our storeroom and live with it.
The landlord take up, mistake it all and have nothing.
Take it up where brown and black don't want. Take it up and have it and live with.
The landlord?
Yes, the landlord.
And the landlord put her in a storeroom. And a storeroom, she did it. So
storeroom, the girl.
Hold on. Why pick me there in all of this?
What do you mean by what? No beside her in the storeroom.
Jesus have mercy. What a piece of carelessness.
You hear what Mr. Shiniem take it all and don't have nothing.
Then
and
tell me
a nice brown skin girl, me I tell you about, look real proper when you see her,
Well, I now uptown
Raga, I'm not tell us if you give me the link, let me email you the picture of them, man. I want to you.
Oh, just send them your Facebook link.
Look here, me not in you, Me know in you from where you have me out of door wait.
No.
All people tie me. You say me not refer to it, but people tie me to fan wall, say me not go over there, cause me not leaving fan wall. But here one Raga, about 2 Sunday now, me see a Chris Prado pick her up and drop her off within a 2-hour space, and I can't figure out who Mr. Prado be all now.
Investigate that for me.
Raga, me dep on it. Raga is like a place where you walk, the people that walk, they're like the gardeners and the helpers, and me walking up and down.
Oh, it's not going to be too obvious, and you walk up and...
You can't do it too obvious, me if you're shy down, me tell you somebody work for me. Give me the mate.
Listen to me now.
Raga.
You don't have a child or something?
Raga, no. And me, my Ozzy, and my little dog live. So, Raga, me not have nobody for go do the investigation.
Hear the problem. Hear the thing, You see the next time the Prado come?
Yes, dear.
You have the dog on a leash?
I'm kind of unruly, but me go try.
Try and just have the dog run down the road or something. That's what you have to do.
Raga, me can't run,
And you can't run?
No, me can't.
You find an excuse, man. Find out. Yeah,
what me I go do? Me I go friend the girl. Me I go friend her.
Yes. That one they work too, yes.
Me I go friend her.
Yes.
That's the only thing me can go do. Me I go friend her, Raga.
All right.
Because Raga, me want to know who Mr. Prado be. She still not have nothing.
Well, on. You see, when you have friend her, don't bother bring up the not have nothing.
You crazy?
All right.
I'm speaking proper English when I'm talking to them.
Okay, and when you have friend her, get her if you tell her your problem and be a good listener. That is a key. Get her to tell you our problems and be a good listener. And you're going to use something we refer to as empathy, which is you're going to connect and you're going to feel her pain. You understand? And when you feel her pain, she's going to feel a bond with you and just want to
lesson 101 this.
Yes, man. Yes. And then when she pour out her thing and whatever, this and that. But I'm going to be honest with you. Yeah. She may tell you some things where you not feel the need for bring pan radio.
Yeah, man, I know what to.
Okay, but if it's good mix up with entertainment value.
The bottom line is we need to find out who the Prado man is.
We need to find out who the Prado man is. Yes. Because...
There's people, there are some real mix-up people, but I have 2 files where I can't rinse because for whatever reasons I'm afraid of being sued. So I have to go bring them to you and make you view them for yourself and you tell me if you can bring them forward.
We will make the determination of just how much we can divulge on here. But I am very interested in the Uptown people mix-up them because we have these files that we have to update.
Yes, my dear.
You understand? So you have to find out that mix-up, that Prado person. This is the case of the Prado man.
Yes, consecutively, me see the Prado pick her up like 2 lots from me because there are a lot of empty lots there. And it's a lot of grass and trees and stuff. And it drop her like 2 hours, it drop her back at the same spot and she just walk it go up.
What time in pick her up? What time in pick her up? What time?
Sometimes like, generations. Generations normally come on 3:30 every Sunday.
Okay.
Yes, my dear. Okay. Yes, I know the time.
Yes. Run generations time, about 3:30 on Sunday. Yes. And then go for 2 hours each Sunday and bring her.
Back like right about when generations are going to finish, which is about 5:30. So I know a 2 hour.
I sort out that.
Yeah, man.
I sort out that. Of course I sort out. We know.
You want to know what she do with the machine? I have nothing, Raga.
No worry, she's just generous. She's generous.
Well, right. I hope it's not the case, because in them hard time, your woman if have up them good things, And I me say big house on the hill, and I me say house in a furniture in a house, So woman are supposed to lay themselves them careless way there,
But yeah, say if she take so much man, she's supposed to have something for sure.
Them the era, make a man buy a piece of land, man, and put a board house on it, man. Okay. Start off with something, man.
So you seem to, Bonnie says she seemed to be a that's why there's something free.
Because I'm me advocate, hear what me name B money God. And me say money, rather.
Okay.
Money bad.
So if you didn't look like well on, if you didn't look like she, you'd have a lot of assets to show for.
Rather, me the problem married to Bill Gates right about now.
Brap. You'd have hold on. You'd have your own Prada.
Me have my own plane.
You own a plane?
My own plane. Rather, me have my own tennis court. I'm one badminton team, rather. I'm one tennis team, I'm one netball team.
All right, you probably need to go school or friend or a school or anything here.
But I want to big up my neighbor, the liar man, where every evening that God Almighty send, that man is on his balcony doing exercise in a birthday suit.
Well, I forgot to take a break. Don't stay away there. Stay away there. I forgot to break. Them I read the news quick here.
Yes, Raga.
We're so far. But I want to them a careless liar do I exercise naked by the people and then them a cause get up. So far. Now we say mix up straight, non-stop, who not like it, chuck off. Yeah. And we're going to just finish up a little reason right now with D-Money. And D-Money I'll give you our next mix up, where she say, well, you have a liar who love exercise on him balcony in him birthday, so that mean naked. A real thing you tell me, D-Money?
What you talk about, Raga? One thing me love is mix up, Raga. And just because I never have the proper channel for direct it, And from a meet Ragashanti, I saw the things that me love the mix up. Bad.
Well, the liar and exercise.
Raga is a big grey man, one of them big, all over grey. And Raga, I have a style pan him, but I want to get it full because him drink very hard.
Yeah.
And me get to understand says because the workman take where him help a woman back in the days. So him not too.
Well, him did have a woman who was him helper.
Yeah, the helper was his woman.
Yeah, and the workman take with.
But I'm not so sure, so I don't want to divulge too much into that.
Oh.
You understand? I want to get the full 100 first because I hear that the youth who do the tech way still in the area, so I want to give him some work and get the story from him and then me rinse it to you. But I want to big him up still because I know
money I got
every evening for come stretch out him body, Raga.
Every evening he come on him back.
Every evening that God send and but him scare my dog. I'm scared.
Tambourine. Well on. When your dog see the liar exercise naked on him balcony, the dog get miserable, though.
The dog does this. If him see him on the road, him this grunt, the man can't drive past me yard in a piece. The dog.
You say up to the dog. No, say why man do something. You know, say if we could have translate what the dog, I say the dog probably I say big old steering respectable, supposedly respectable man. They on your balcony exercise naked, and me as a dog after that I say so weird. So well on a big liar where people know.
Well, I don't want to get too much because I just got a call on my phone from the guy who give me the mix-up.
Yeah, so be careful.
Get the information from the Prada man for me. Him just call me because he's listening to the show.
All right.
And he just call me say I'm going to get the info from Miss D. Yeah. I'm going to get the info for you and call you.
Not say a word,
no. I don't want to talk out too much.
We're going to make the whole of the little...
When me go home, Mr. Liar, wait for me, I'm going to get.
No worry yourself, man. We know if we code up the thing, man. No worry yourself. Listen to me, we're going to make the whole of them nervous.
I'm going to shit them up just like how them not like me catch you my black. I'm your woman.
Great.
I'm come build house beside them. Them don't like that.
Yeah, we're going to make them nervous.
Them tambourine trees for them, Raga.
Yeah, and that's what say. Shake out them tambourine tree, make one for drop out. No.
No, me really have to big him up, man. Him disgusting plus tax. Me nah lie. Him have it.
No, but when you really think about it, though,
there's no Ragashanti around here.
No, you see it.
No Ragashanti.
No Ragashanti.
Raga, there's a dictionary out for you, though.
Yeah, that's how it go.
Trust me, because you see all the girl mistake it all and don't have nothing.
Yeah.
She say she don't have no Ragashanti. No, she's Ragashanti. Yeah, them word there. I'm not going to send you a copy of the dictionary.
Don't worry yourself, man.
Use more of them word around here.
Exactly, but we just want to say to the liar. Oh, grey all over, you say. And I exercise naked on the balcony. Stop it. That is the height of nastiness.
2 pounds in a Raga, supposed to see him too.
And when, why things that people want to see him and think?
Raga,
him redefine,
well, have had some intention.
Well, him redefine hearing out. You know, saying probably I get him kicks off of it.
Oh, Lord.
When him out there doing stretches and say, I know they're watching me.
But Raga, this man have 4 story, you know, and 4 balcony. And the one where me always sit down and watch my TV pan him come on that particular balcony every evening. You know what me love some of the time? The place have fog. Some of the time when he must stretch, there comes the fog over the hill.
Over the fog,
so
okay.
Get to see much.
Okay.
But we know he's there just, you know, glaring like a little airy person.
All right, then D-Money in a say a word rude.
Yeah, man, and you know you take care Raga, me I go do some more investigation.
Yes, man.
And me name D-Money, and I me say Sophia British Lodge.
Long time. Blessings and respect. Just bring them file, come give it. We're going to make them nervous. A week up in this year. Here we go, top of the morning. Jesus have mercy. When I going? Good afternoon, hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Raga, why you mix up people for talk so long?
No, you don't worry about that, man. You come in right now, you just talk. You know, but I tell you how to run the show. You rank. Don't tell you how to run the show, because we're done around here. When it's me I run the show, me know who must get run, because me know who deserve a run. The show, if it's one thing, me say Mutty Perkins and 2 in me, but it's one thing I learned from Mutty Perkins, you know. Listen to me right now.
Yeah.
One day, man.
Buy my credit.
Well, me say, listen to me. Me can't buy anything for you. Oh, what me I say? One time one man attack long for Mutty Perkins show me I listened years ago. And the man said, Mutty, but I've been talking for so long right now and I want another caller going. And Mutty said, no, stop. This show is not about the callers. It's about the listeners. And I will never forget that. In other words, if you get a good person who have the vibes and good mix up, me make the call for run with that person, because it's hold on, because it's about the listeners, and I guarantee you people just enjoy D-Money, so don't come tell me how to run the show. You understand? Because me come here yard, come only and do the things them to you. So I got up.
Why am I there, Raga?
So you having a mix up there for me?
No, I'm not a mix up really, you know, but
then you call and I rank up, and you're not a mix up. How are you for? How are you good for then? You don't have no mix up, or you call, you run up your mouth and this and... What you call for then?
Me call you see if you tell you, hey,
yeah.
Why you big up my man Action? Action tonight?
We big up Action tonight, yeah. But you're not for call and then I cuss about that and whatever. We do that, whatever. I waste your time right now. Big up Action. 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock, big up Action.
Hello, when time me call Action, so me get him. But guess what? You never know say Action girl up at the line, that's why it stays so long. If you didn't know, you'd have sent on.
Well, you know say you're boring up the thing. You know say you pop down, you make Action look bad right now. Action look more exciting than you.
What?
Action look more exciting. You're boring right now. You just pop down the city right now. Whatever they say that you come in and hype up yourself or whatever. We think you have good mix up. You come in with a big up Action and big up Nika, because the show shot 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock right this at night time. But you don't be a spokesperson, because you have to turn with people from the show.
I don't mean a mix up, you need a mix up.
So what you call for is a mix up show?
You can't tell me from call. Are you have a phone there?
Of course we can't stop you from call.
Oh, where you go do? Where you go do?
Now we can't cut you off right now too, you know.
Yeah, man, you can't cut me off, but me talk up the things them and done, you know.
Okay. Talk to the hand for she. You understand? 5 fingers for she. Anyway, next call right now. You're not dealing with nothing. I have to see do it. Big up Action and Nika Bam Bam, 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Me tell us that the thing shut at night time. But Action don't make that woman that who just call be a PR person. And she talk about you are a man, Action. I hope she not really a man, because I know say fear sort out must pop down. Nothing I want to see. Fear sort out go like say we're there about Marley funeral or something. You understand? I'm just depressed. Fear sort out coming like Buju trial. Anyway. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Raga.
Whoa.
Nationwide, that's for a new home, you know.
I saw it said, Papa.
I will not beg nobody come around here, come spoil up this thing, you know.
Woman, I look upon people either, you know. Them have to look upon, wait.
It have to run as can to plan, you know.
Yes, and we are keep it real, see him, we won't like it, go down on my pet cemetery, go rent a room.
Yeah, man. So what you know on a senti call this, you know?
Boom bang.
Why, let me tell you something, Raga. You're the mix-up, you know.
Yeah.
You tell me about market man, woman, you know.
You did there, what?
Market man, woman.
Yeah, tell me about it.
The man go market 2 times a week.
Yeah.
And when the man go to market, you know, man, I'm in charge of yard, you know.
So, 2 times a week when him go market, at them 2 times a week, the yarn are sort out?
Yes, me can't see the woman till that the time there.
Oh, how long him go? What time him go market the 2 times a week?
Well, when he go market Sunday evening,
Eh.
you know, come back till Wednesday. And then he go back Thursday evening and come back Saturday night.
And each time him go where you are get the fix up?
Yes, and the beauty about him, we are the man bed slippers, Raga.
You wear all in bed slippers?
Sit down and like man cheer when lean back in and watch TV.
Jesus have mercy. No, what are the Tambourine? What are the? You say when the man go in the market, you wearing bed slippers and cock a foot in a man chair and beat.
And tell us something, Raga. You know, you're not yet.
What?
The man have a 3-year-old daughter with a woman.
Careful now when you talk about the pit in them here.
No, man, nothing bad, man.
Okay, all right.
And I one bed. So you find, say, the baby have to dip on the bed. Not true?
Right.
We spread bed and put the baby on the floor, man. Pass sponge.
Yeah, we're not really going that part there, though. So, someone no put the baby one side and use the bed.
Yeah, but
hold on. What you think about that woman I do? What, don't you know a Ragashanti talk about born with respect, don't it?
You see the mix-up that I give you?
Yeah.
I see people learn.
Learn what?
Learn from it.
What they must learn from it?
If a man will listen,
yeah,
can learn what woman can do to them and what woman can.
Me, I don't trust any woman. She could have named Mary Magdalene and Mother Teresa. Me not trust none of them. I love woman, I love them. We can't do without them and whatever. But me, I tell you, me not gonna end up a kill myself. You see, all the man that will end up a shoot all woman and a shoot themselves and all them things there, whatever. I just shoot them not grounded in a reality, you know. You understand what I'm saying?
Then it makes you throw them thing out there, Raga beg and learn.
See it there?
If you have to throw them thing out there, they can learn and they can know them gone out, they can hustle and go sleep on concrete in the market, you know. And the woman can do this type of things, you know.
But me ask you this though. Like you said, the man gone hustle, him a work hard, him there market, a sleep on concrete, you know, can go down, whatever, this and that. And as far as him concerned, him not go thief, him not go rob because him have to out there and looking for him woman and him picnics, eh?
And you man never care about him like when you care about me. It's all about me.
And it's all about you. Why is it all about you? Why?
Well, I believe she have a special love for me because what him looking for in a man may have it. At that time he's young
and explain what that is. I remember you the afternoon radio now.
Well I did young,
yeah,
and have this broad chest plate and have this ballad and coming down the street me look like the monster youth.
Okay, so what you say you're big and thick. So you're sexy then, as far as she concerned.
Yes.
So wait, how fair man look? Him fat or?
No, it's just all about the bush and the market. It's just all about the family life. Well, not never wrong.
Okay.
But she didn't think that way. She was thinking
me see what you say. He's so responsible. Him go bush, him go market. Him just a hard worker and all that.
Yes,
him not romancer. Him not make you feel special.
No.
Him not give a little excitement and thing and whatever.
No, it's just all about hard work and bring bread on the table.
Okay, and you bring the other element to her. You bring the excitement and the adventure to her.
Yes, and even sometimes we chat him man. We in a room and we chat him man.
The two are not chat the man.
And even when the man call him on the phone and the conversation.
And when you say him, you mean she, right? The woman.
She,
yeah, when the man call her, yeah. Jamaican talk. Me know, we always have to clarify that because the foreigner them we get confused, you know. Yeah.
When the man call him from market, darling, you alright, how are you? And they tell him about the business and everything. And even sometimes when the man talks certain things and he don't talk and he have a funny 12 bus out and laugh.
Oh God. They you not feel bad for you, man?
Me never feel bad in my time because I have the 20 years of age and I feel like me could take on the world.
Okay, me understand. Then tell me something I know. Mm-hmm. I wouldn't want to go into details because we are be able to say. He never call when you not do the things,
If you never do
when you never call anytime when you get like a good fix up and he call right in I make like fix up.
Yeah, man, but she not answer the call.
Oh, she not answer the call when fix up a go on?
No, but we call him back after everything over. And
after everything over, when she feel relaxed and thing, don't?
Call him back.
Call him back and just feel a nice little joy and thing and such. Oh, So you say man must know, say, you know, man need to learn from them things and say, when you think all is well and thing, whatever.
Yeah, that experience helped mold me and make me so solid in the woman role. I am so solid in the woman role that I'm one of the hardest nuts to crack.
So what you say, it's hard for a woman can you right now and go around you with anything?
Listen, better tell you something, Raga.
Tell me, sir, tell me.
There is nothing a woman tell me when me believe.
Tambourine.
There is nothing a
Me agree with you. Me agree with you.
Believe me, Raga, trust me, the woman never love a man.
But as far as him concerned, everything did all right, don't it?
Yes, and at the end of the day, all the woman thinking is after the 3-year time there, see her mission accomplished. At the time, she did help him mother build on the house down a country, down a other country.
Yeah.
So the man a plan, say, all right, settle and everything, but you man a plan to go home.
Oh, so all the time him did a plan for him family or whatever, she a plan for left him?
Yes, and the woman make contention in him, because he will make contention for relationship mash up.
So when the woman want to do the thing, she start the war with him for the relationship mash up?
Yeah, you know what the woman do.
Papa Jesus, eh?
You know where woman do for
what she do for start war with him for so that she could have gonna make her move, eh?
Yes, you know where woman use her help ruin the relationship.
Tell me.
Now go tell the window.
Yeah.
All right, in tin mackerel tonight, see it.
Give the man tin mackerel.
Yes, tomorrow night.
Give him flash out for him, eh?
Yeah, they can afford more than that, you know. But as she run the kitchen, that she do the thing. So give mackerel for hit. Tonight, tomorrow and give him. So the other night when he prepare mackerel, a man just simple say, oh God, darling, mackerel tonight. And
I that you just start warring right after that. I said,
well, I know. Well, I can't bother with you. You have got to cook yourself. You can't bother with man. I live by myself.
Parliament, big up! Parliament! Tambourine! Right. So she give him tin mackerel Monday. She give him tin mackerel Tuesday. She has set for him, you know. She give him tin mackerel Wednesday. And all the man just said, oh God, then tin mackerel Tuesday. I can't bother, you know, you know, I'm there at work at the time, and you come with your ungrateful self, you know, and you just start up the war right there.
Yes, I want to live by my own, and I can't bother with you. And you know that if she continues same way and ruin the relationship to pieces, and even when she got country, she invite me down the same way.
Even when she got country, she bring you down there, sir?
Same way.
Tell me something now. What you really learn from this? And when it come down to it,
me never want him neither.
No, something where you gonna do with that woman like that, right?
Me never want.
You just go and bounce it and cut, man.
You know why me never want him? The reason why me never.
When you say him, you mean she? Me know, yeah.
The reason why me didn't want she.
Yeah.
She don't know what she want.
She don't know what she want.
No.
Okay. So you have to be careful of a woman like that.
Yes, and true now. There is a escape was there from me. Come me free like a bird. Me not have nothing to lose. That's why I just be again. Me have things to gain.
Okay. So she did spend money for you and him some of that?
No, and I'm not going to spend money for me. You see, if you can run somebody and him can do in 1 year, buy one phone card and buy one ice cream.
Yeah.
You're free like the bird in the tree.
Okay.
And the type of life for me did I live.
Yeah.
The man never lived that life with 4 year man.
Oh, Jesus. Say that again.
The 4 year man in man live.
Yeah.
The man never live 1 week good life for me live. I live one of the most superlastic, fantastic, ecstatic life.
You live the 4 years that the man, she there with the man. The man not live the same life where you live because you live the most superlastic, fantastic, ecstatic life with the.
Yes, and a 2 year man I did.
Oh, for Jesus. I'm marine for the superlastic life, them.
Trust me.
So what before you go do it, what is your advice to men now? Based on the experience where you did that.
My advice to men.
Yeah.
Don't run in a woman who you love. Try and run in a the one who love you. Anything you do as a man, she are go upset over it. But if you love the woman, anything him do, you are go upset over it. So if the man even not that love the woman and you man love him, try and see if he can work with it and he will play off.
I go see it again. You say, in general, a man must try and find a woman who love him, as opposed to go find a woman who him love.
Yes, because you see a woman who love you, you're not going to love him. But try your best and see if you can get people like him.
But try your best and see if you can get people like her, no?
Yes, and he will play out that.
No, but some people are listen to this and I say, well, but me can't really, me not comfortable with woman who me not feel them way there.
Then why you think women get used?
What?
Why you think women get used?
What you mean?
Because the man don't love him. A man cannot use a woman when love, you know. Me will challenge any man. You cannot.
A man cannot use a woman who him love.
I mean, we challenge any man. You cannot use a woman that you love.
No. You have to be careful, lesson. I have a rule.
Mm-hmm.
You see, anything you need a lot,
mm-hmm.
or anything you love a lot,
mm-hmm.
that is the thing you need to be careful. I know it's not too different from what you are saying,
mm-hmm.
but I believe that you can love somebody,
mm-hmm.
and the way you manage that love,
mm-hmm.
you don't clown out yourself in the love.
Well,
the rest of them ever saying, don't fall in love. Rasta say all this thing. Rasta have a thing where say, you have to be careful of language, because the language you use can reinforce certain principles in your behavior that can be self-defeating. Not care how good looking him is, not care how much money him have, not care the sort of shot. If she cannot respect a man, she know. So you can love a woman and make sure you love her, but when a woman will test you, when them farm fool, you have to make them understand themselves.
Let me give the last thing I never remember.
Yeah.
You man get a barrel for a friend and a family yard come.
And where the box at? Well, I'm married. Well, no, when the barrel come from foreign fish, your yard the barrel at.
After me yard come.
Box, no, you did not go hard. Me not like. No, man, then what you did not do make she love you, so.
Young and.
Well, may I ask you straight up? You start out the shot, no?
Yeah, man, where I say, man, remember, in Raga.
Yeah.
We can take a woman the place you want to go, you know.
You say you can take a woman to the place she wants to go.
A very far place, enough women didn't been there before.
Boy.
When you reach us,
yeah.
If my mother tell him nothing more, me tell him about.
What you say, if you carry that woman to that very far place, when a man not carry her in terms of making her feel good when you do the things them, when you reach there, so all her mother, if her mother gonna say something bad about you, she tell you back.
Tell me back.
So are you saying then that as far as relationship gonna care what people say, you must always make sure that woman get her proper fix up?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Raga.
All right then, Papa boy. You really thought the things I'm in idea.
Love and tongue.
No say a word, man. Blessing. Yo, I'm going to talk on the things a while ago. The man talk on the things a while ago. But Chris Cass, what you think about what him say? The man say, in general, you must, if you want to be in control and have a successful relationship and not clown out yourself, him say, find a woman will love you. Don't find a woman who you love. Find a woman will love you, and then even if you don't love her that much, you try to push yourself to develop the love for her. What do you think about that?
Yo, you know, say that's some deep thing the man had though.
But you know, say a long time old people always tell all them daughter them things.
Because you realize who you really love never ever love you, and who want you never ever want.
That's not true. In
a rare case, it's a fact.
No, that's not true. What is true is that people always think say love on both sides must be equal. Damn foolishness that. Never equal yet. But it can be very close until it look like it equal. But there are many successful relationships out there where both people love each other. And both people realize that, I really love that person so much that, I can't even imagine myself without that person. But the other person feel the same way too. Right?
Yeah.
So we don't want to be cynical about this thing to the point where we feel like you don't have successful relationship where two people just love each other. Cause that did it. But what the man has said, though,
I think in his case, though, it's a matter of control.
No, but you see, I will submit something to you where a lot of people don't want to admit. You see, when you truly love, you have to give up someone. When I say you have to give up control to the point where you turn
sacrifices
no, don't look on it as sacrifice. Part of loving, truly loving, is allowing yourself to be vulnerable with that person and knowing that I trust this person with these areas of me and I know that they will take care of that. But me see why I said one. It might basically man I said no. It's a safe thing in my play now. But you see with that now, that's the life of a player really. You know?
Yeah, for real.
It's all about energy and it's all about entertainment. Hello?
Yeah, Raga.
Greetings.
Greetings, my virgin.
Yeah.
Hey, you see them thing there now? I get a little mix up now.
Yeah.
I live a foreign still.
Yeah.
And me used to born. Me used to be a born a man up there.
Yeah.
And the man, the daughter, and married to the thing and she send female and thing. When them come up, him never, that time call forward and them thing, they never reach Jamaica, so man never know about them thing. When the man watch him wife, man, watch her, can't know about me still, you know. So.
What you mean? Him know same wife did I give him born?
Yeah, man, and him know me too.
Him know you?
People tell him, people tell him.
Okay,
he never meet me, you know, but him know of me.
Okay, Zane.
So, when him go work, him call her about 10 times from work, I'm go work at evening time, you know.
Yeah.
So him call her about 10 times, you know, find where she there. So when she come check me, brethren, she just phone me. I said, answer the phone. She call forward to me, said, answer the phone. She was on my yard.
Wait, say that again?
She phoned me, forward the call, her house phone to my phone.
Right.
I said, answer till she come.
Right, okay.
Enough time you hear the phone, I ringing her in my cars. Anyway, this day in question, she did it, and we are sort out, man, brethren, we're hard, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And the phone ring and she answered. And me still a sort out and I come in and I go do my thing. So yeah, no, you hear him trying. How come his son? So me not the bathroom, but up on the toilet seat, man.
Careful. Oh. Hold on there. Tambourine. So we only night Miguel I sort out. So she run out of breath and be a thing.
Yeah, man.
And she got answer the phone and then pick up, say whatever.
Yeah.
And him say, how come your sound so? And she say, oh, she in a toilet. Because you know sometimes when you use a tie, you sound strange, you know. Okay. If I laugh, I went up my rock career shot. Papa Jesus, she say, use a tie, you know. It's kind of difficult right now, you know, we have faced some challenges and we are let out with. Tambourine, no. You see?
You see the watch man business.
Yeah.
A foolishness that. You can't watch a man. A woman can't watch man either. Just love the person.
Listen to me. Let me tell you something. You see, if you have a woman or a man and you believe, say, by watching them, that will stop them from getting born.
No, sir.
My thing is, don't make no decision unless you can prove what you're saying, you know?
Right.
Because a whole heap of people make decisions based on suspicion.
Right.
If you have suspicion to the point where it just make you perpetually uncomfortable and stressed out, then about stay in it. Because the truth is, you can't deal with somebody where you don't have suspicion. That is the truth, don't it?
Right, yeah.
Some woman just move with you that way, or a man just move with you. Well, you don't even have anything to worry about.
Right.
But if you have a woman, and based on how she roll, or a man, or whatever, it just constant, then it just reach a point where you don't even have to want to prove nothing. You just come out tight, leave it alone, or whatever.
Right.
But try and make a decision based on where you know.
Right.
But if a sudden person steal, a sudden turn and it not change, are you for decide if you're going to accept it and work with it, or you cannot work with it, so you cut and let go? That me say.
Yeah, man, because some people take up another party and the person bad while. And because them fall in love with the person, think the person are going to change. People don't change.
People don't change. And you shouldn't try. No. When I say people not change, Bob Marley did say a thing. I mean, I understand where I come from. He said people not change. Them grow and them manage how them stay differently.
Right. And so some of them behavior.
All right. You see, if somebody is a burning person, them would choose to burn, but them is still a burning person. But in other sense, but the truth is people can change, don't it?
Yeah, man.
You have people who go through something and transform them lives, and what them used to do, them just really don't do it anymore. And not care how you put it on them just now go back there, so don't it?
That's it.
Well, that's true. But in general, though, when it comes to relationship, if it's so the person, hey, sometimes them we all try if you do different, you know, but you are sudden tan.
Yeah, not them blood.
It just, I'm going to know about blood. But, you know, even them we are trying to say, you know, so if a good man or a good woman, I'm going to do different. And when them find themselves in a situation or whatever, them still go do. I just you for understand. And don't even war them. Nobody try go kill them or nothing. You just say, it's son them still. You can't deal with it, you move on and you find somebody else. And that means
it's like a man who take up a lion as a pet. You can't take a lion.
Yo, them have one show up on TV named When Pets Something Another.
Yeah, attack.
When Pets Attack, don't it?
Right.
Where the backside you go and take, like, have a snake who can swallow people for now as a pet? Why you do that now? All them foreign people, I don't understand. Yeah, what am I do with them big old snake there? If the snake can swallow a cow, why the backside me go and keep that snake as a pet? Then one day the snake now go to say, yeah, me now, I just feel chore.
Yeah.
I don't feel like I do a thing, you know.
Yeah, I'm just
you understand?
Yeah.
I don't deal with my case, you know. You understand? And then go swallow me, the snake there, I wonder why I go down. You understand?
Yeah.
Me now do that, you're right. If I saw you turn, hey, them have one, I know if you ever hear that story, I know. It's like, I think it's like an alligator. And the monkey saying one cross.
Yeah.
And then the monkey saying one cross. The alligator say, come on, me carry you, man.
The scorpion man and the bullfrog, man.
No, man, them have different versions to it.
Okay,
but you have a monkey and alligator. And the alligator say, yo, come me carry you, man. Me say, and the monkey say, no, man, you gotta eat me. And the alligator say, no, me not eat you, man. Me and you different, man. You know, don't know. Hey, you see, me not like monkey, but you say, you different. You ever hear woman tell man that? You ever hear people say, no, you just different, and people fall for them things, they don't it?
Yeah.
Woman can't draw that per man and so idiot man out, they can't feel special and think, yo, she clown out the rest of the man, but John was rape me. Yeah. You understand, like idiot. You understand, you know them can't. Yeah. Right? So, the monkey there say, one cat, alligator say, come, monkey say, no, you gotta eat me. Alligator say, come man, no, you gotta eat me. Alligator say, yo, cool man. If I want to eat him, I could have eat you a long time. You think me shot a monkey around here? I not shot a no monkey around here. In fact, when I eat monkey, I don't even eat monkey like you. You understand? A good monkey me eat. Fat, round, plumpy monkey me eat. Alright. So let's come and give one ride and think I feel good in the day or whatever. Monkey jump on the alligator back. Halfway through the alligator say, yo, yeah, me I eat this, you know. I eat this. The monkey say, what you going to do? Alligator say, I'm going to eat you. And the monkey say, yo, but you tell me, say, you're not eating. Man, the alligator say, listen, I am an alligator. That is what I do. I eat monkeys. So you have a whole heap of woman out there, them are alligator.
Yeah.
That is what they do. They name and chamba and chop monkeys. Same thing with some man. Me not try change nobody.
You see our next thing to for search. Anything you search for, you will find.
What you mean?
You have to dig up what, just like you watch someone, you watch someone, you dig up a bag and you search a cell phone and you search.
Thank you.
If you search, you're going to find something that will hurt you. Don't search. Lower it.
Thank you.
Don't search people think. Leave them with them for because anything you search for, you're going to find.
No, it get deeper than that.
Yeah.
You see the searchers them? Mm-hmm. You see the searchers them? Me, not there with a searching person, because a searching person already has a certain amount of insecurity that going to cause problem from the outset.
Right.
You understand?
Yeah.
If you're right, hey, one time me the downtown near Rumley there. And girl I moved to me and give me a little arguments and thing. And hear what she again. Boy, I'm not telling her I like you, know, Ray, just and that and this and that, Ray. But I tell you, Charles, me and you there, and a girl can't lean up on your car and come with a kill that and Ray. And that is her way of communicating to me that she was. And in my mind, don't get involved with this one. You understand? You understand? Me not try. But some man we see a woman look good and say, ever hear some out there talk and say, oh, she love me, you know. No woman can't talk to me, you know. She might be stop them up on me. Me don't know how them do it, you know.
Also, them and them one for them.
Me don't know how them do it. All the woman them, boy, him love me, see. As him see me attack somebody, him come back to me, I can't show. And what, damn idiot them.
Hey, Raga, me never search about type, you know.
Yeah.
Listen, me have a wardrobe, a flight pack, a suit bag, right? I have a letter. I put it in the jacket pocket. Put the jacket in the suit bag. Zip up the suit bag. Put the suit bag in the flight pack. I put the flight pack in the back of my wardrobe. Behind the wall of my clothes them. Thing come from Jamaica. I'm that foreigner. She come spend some time with me. When me come home, my virgin car girl out there to write me. She took a letter up and dress her. What is what? I say, what do you mean what is? She read the letter. I say, wait, you know me I cuss about. No, because the letter where you read, because where you go find the letter, and I said, no, the dresser right in front of you. Look which part you go dig up and find it. Eh? I said, come go home, take your flight and go back to Jamaica. You search where you going to search.
No, you see, no, hold on. You're lucky you in an argument with her. Because me different with that. You see, from me, see that. But I'm not saying nothing to her, no. She thought that, whatever. Because all in my mind is to get her out of the house first. Me no want no more argument. All in my mind. So I tell her nothing and think. Me I carry her go somewhere nice and whatever, man. And lack of change, number change, I could all move pan her and all them way. You understand?
You're far.
And I know what you argument.
You're far, I tell you there.
Yeah.
In the wardrobe, in the flight pack, in the suit bag, way in the back. You know, 4 different things. Wait, you're not supposed to find that.
Yo, let me tell you something else too. I know enough man I want to admit this, but it's true. You see the searcher girl, them? Me afraid of them too.
Yeah, man, them dead.
Them will do the things, you know.
Yeah.
Me have a rule, say, don't there with somebody you cannot sleep around her and be 100% comfortable.
Right.
Never you there with somebody when you go to your bed. In the worst of the time between you and her, you go to your bed. If you're there with somebody and you and her have an all-out argument, all-out one, and you go sleep and you're nervous, you left her.
Yeah.
Left her. You see the search of them? When I go search them, and them will do the things. Them will stab you up, them will acid you, them will monkey lotion you. Them will throw hot porridge pan you and them something.
You know, just as I said hot porridge. I have a bird, you know, we don't on a Varna one night. And we talk man and woman story. And everybody give them like a story about where them go through the man and thing.
Yeah.
So him that said something to one thing. Anyway, in the night, you know, him say him asleep and him wife get up and go in the kitchen. No, she in a long time. So him get up for go see what she had in the kitchen. She meet him in a passage with the frying pan food island throwing him face. What she do it for? Because we don't find Varna chat a man and woman slack argument with them brethren them. The man burn him up, the man want to work, you know.
And she burn him up with attire?
With attire and the man's face. And it just took, I know, I'm still there with her. I'm still there with her.
What?
Yeah. The man still there with her, brethren.
Well, with all due respect, I can't sorry for him, man.
Man, I couldn't benefit with the man's face color, because I'm brown, you know. On one side of his face, it look like a road map, black. And the man still there with her. And I said the man didn't do something, you know, the man talk about things when they before him even meet her.
You know, mad man them, man, where you there with all them, no man, mad man them, man, you don't need for there with all them. But let's say a word, my king, a blessings here.
Cool, take care, cool.
Protection. Yo, big and serious, man. Yo, hello. Yo, hold on. The topic is people who attack them friend, man and woman mix up. If you don't have any more mix up on people who attack them friend, man or woman, that's the topic. Or if you have any other mix up where you want, is a mix up, so call and tell what the things them. Yeah, greetings. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Well, Raga.
Boom bang.
I'm glad to have you back on.
Thank you.
And Raga, I not really have a mix up, you know. But I just call you for share something with you.
Yeah.
One day I called you and we were talking. And then you asked what type of job I do. So I told you, I do look like everything. You told me that I must be a jack of all trades, but be masters of one.
No. I said you have to be careful that you're a teacher of many and a master of none. That it's not good to be a teacher of many and a master of none. Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
And I took your advice. And I went and I got enrolled in a cosmetology school. And I'm a certified cosmetologist thanks to you.
Tambourine! But listen now, you said one thing wrong right there.
What?
You said thanks to me.
Yeah, because for your advice.
No. But it's not thanks to me. It's thanks to you. You made the choice. And you need to be fully cognizant and aware of this, because that awareness will position you to continue making these type of choices. You know, so don't care what good advice people give. At the end of the day, it's thanks to who made the choice and who accepted the advice. So you must thank yourself, congratulate yourself, and reward yourself for doing this. I am very proud of you because I strongly suspect it wasn't easy if you just go through the thing and you had your little challenges and your ups and downs, don't you?
Raga.
See it there?
You know.
And you hold it and you go through and you stay focused. You stay focused, right? Right. Congratulations. And remember, you know, the motto is laugh, learn, and grow.
Yeah.
So you do this right now and you grow. And who can tell? You're probably going to have you want to shop one day.
That's what I'm planning to do.
See it there? And then you have all 2 shop and whatever, and you branch out, and next thing you have your cosmetology line, or your whatever the case may be, and you get a link over China, and you get your own brand, and you say, hey, the opportunities are endless out there, all right?
Okay.
Very, very proud. And thank you for taking the time for calling back and waiting online for telling me that and thing. I feel good about that, here?
Yes, Raga. And guess what, Raga? You send them their school.
Yeah.
Sometimes my teacher not teach me nothing in a raga. I'm saying I listen to you. Here I know we are listening to the one dirty raga. So I say yes, I'm listening to raga. Here I don't like him and I don't like him. If him see me already, him can have a call to me raga. He said I'm gonna tell her I said God just slap me more because I tell her I said not even those who come off a raga tire would even call to she. Without the amount of that.
Well, you said that even the dust will come off of a tire with a car. Well, she not ready, though. She not ready, though.
No, sir, Raga.
No, she not arrive yet, though.
No, sir.
She not arrive yet, man. Me understand.
No, Raga. I hope you not call Raga and tell Raga my business. I say, tell Raga your business. Your business. I say your business is not good enough to go on Raga. Say if I call Raga and tell Raga your business, Raga, that's our way. How this you call me for? That's a mix up.
Hold on. You see all them people, you know, they serve a purpose, though, you know. They serve a purpose, though, you know. Because we can't work off of them, you understand? Them serve a purpose, though. The haters serve a purpose. I call them indirect fans. That's
indirect fans?
Indirect fans. They
yeah,
serve
because
a purpose.
Really that. Because here, to me, she'll tell me, say, one, she got your show. Somebody say you got Raga show and I like Raga. She was an escort to Raga. She escort somebody to Raga show. Somebody say, you escort somebody to Raga show? She say, yeah. Somebody said to me in the mind, say, what is an escort? You know what is an escort in uptown people circle?
You think you're easy.
That's not true, Raga. What is don't Raga? Me and you know what is an escort in an uptown people circle.
No, but I saw them come up with all these little things because them really are listening. You know.
Oh, the man them is true.
What?
You are teaching man them too much.
Me?
Yes.
Darling, the woman them curse me, say me I teach the man them too much.
Yeah.
The man them curse me, say me I teach the woman them too much.
Then stop the teaching part. I'm going with the mix-up part.
No, but they say it's laugh, learn and grow. You understand? No, listen. Once you're hearing mix up, you know, you're going to learn something, you know.
Raga, when we go to we say Ray, one time then I said go with the Ray. No, with them I say, think I say Ray, go me listen to Raga too, you know.
That the man never tell you.
Yeah.
No man, the gangster they be no care you hear them about me out there. Them a bring them list down and say, John, you know, say rate. Hey, a man must attack one time. And I'm have to rate him feet because him never have to tell me, you know. And whatever. But you know, him used to burn me out and whatever, this and that and this and that and then him start listen. I remember when Ragashanti did call.
Yeah.
The man where as a woman.
Yeah.
Right. The brother said, no, sorry. Barbie, not Ragashanti. The fun wall going to kill me. But Barbie.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And the reason I think or whatever, I'm going to make a point to him and him say it. Him say, John, you know, say, me did that burn you out when you make him talk and whatever, but at the same time, I say him don't even know say them type of man that they are Jamaica.
Me never know that to either, Raga.
You understand? And by learning that now, him go think twice before him go carnival and go wind up on a woman. You understand?
Yeah.
At least him go check our Adam's apple first.
Yeah.
You see it? Anyway, blessings and respect.
Raga, one thing more before you go.
Can
I have the shirt that you have at the open ceremony in the town?
Can you have that shirt?
Yes. Where you pass?
Eh?
Where you pass?
No, I don't want to ask some clothes and one thing.
So to that.
And next time you see me, we think about it, yeah?
All right.
I wish big man got the total gas station and back out him credit card and pay for your cheese crunches. Mad.
Listen me.
Yo, you know it's stinky, but... I laugh, man. That we're smoking. Yo, Doctor.
Some terrible piece of height.
Yo, no, man, me I tell you, man. No, you know me fast, you know. Some credit me I buy, you know, Michelle. They are the total gas station, you know. I'm man pick up him cheese crunches, you know. And him get a drink too. In fairness to him, he get a drink. He get a drink too. Big man, me I tell you, you know, proper big man, you know. Back out him credit card, man, and pay for him cheese crunches and him drink. That kind of mean nothing to stick. I have some big people who walk with cash, you know. But it still look how weird, though, you know. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Greetings.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Raga.
Are your dog them that are back in the background?
Yes, ma'am. I'm mongrel them on about.
How much dog you have? How much dog you have?
A 3 dog. I'm 5 other one.
What you mean 3 dog and 5 other one? What that mean?
3 4 foot. 3 4 foot and 5 2 foot.
Tambourine. All right. So what you saying that afternoon, you know?
Raga.
Whoa.
I call about the man about the credit card a while ago. The man advertise him credit card. Lord, the man and him credit card.
Nah, advertise. You can't advertise a credit card on a cheese crunches. What are you?
Raga, I let him have. Raga, I let him have. You don't want nobody rob him.
You see. The man said, no cash around here. We could have paid for a bulla. Credit card, we said, boom. Have it up like that. Plastic, we said, we're big. Yeah.
So, take care of yourself, right?
Oh, does that take care of tell me?
Yes, Raga, does that make a tell.
All right, baby, big up yourself and your dog, them.
Oh, me only listen to me, but I don't have none.
No, not say a word, man. I was glad for the honesty, because some people just feel like them have to call and tell some big lie.
All right.
You see it, I keep it real. Let's say a word here.
I keep it real and the hilltop.
All right, then, protection here.
All right, take care.
Bless up. You know, I want to Jai, man. The Jai post on the wall. Raga, come breed me. Oh, Jai. Hey, the cool I get to Jai up there in Canada, but nah, like, Jai don't look like the cool agree with you at all, you know. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yo, Raga.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, big man from out of Florida, I call you, Orlando. I mean, you know, so talk about the man with the credit card and the cheese strip.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when I tell Ruth, I tell her, listen, about 10 years now, I'm deal with cash, you know. I mean, I'm a thing up in here, you have debit card.
Right.
And your money you spend.
Right.
And sometimes you go buy a beef patty and a soda and or something. You know, stick out your card and get and say you're cheap, no matter how cheap it is. I just straight card to deal with.
I just straight card to deal with, you don't deal with cash?
I don't deal with cash. At 10 years now, I don't see money. I ever want me back card, I check my right.
Well, is that good point?
You mash up the man them way there. Like, I'm going to say them up there. I mean, no, them have debit card,
No. As Buckle Masha foreign, we know it. We hip to the trend, them. But it's a good point here, make. Say, it's not necessarily say nothing I want for a man. But what I know, you know, say, oh, the man put on the card can't tell if it's sticky on him, though.
That's true.
You know, so if him have a depressed look on him face and
right.
and him just a dry him foot and whatever, you know, say,
so tight.
Yeah, now work briskly with confidence and put on the card and say, okay, Lord, I need to go and pay for that. When they see a man, I'll have a man on him jaw when him all pick up all the cheese chicken. I wonder if he talk deny me, I'm going to pay for that one cheese chicken. Talk reject me.
Alright, the same point. But big up and respect. The people I'm up all on, I love you. I was glad to have on the radio station. And when I listen to Mixup and Blenda thing, every day I go home and make fun with my wife. Tell her, boy, if you listen to Ragashanti, you learn enough things.
That's a word, my family.
Up and respect.
Large up yourself, man. Big up all of the Orlando and South Florida massive and thing, indeed. Bless up.
Respect. And Jappy is from out Orlando.
Oh, what do you name?
Jappy, Big Paul.
Jappy, Big Paul. Protection and respect, here?
Respect, easy.
Manners and respect. Good afternoon.
Raga.
Whoa.
When you go to the phone line, you mention the ladies them. Our woman call your program?
No, when we go to the phone line?
Yes, you said the ladies, and you mentioned the ladies.
No, man, I just say good afternoon.
No, man. When you was naming out the phone number and stuff.
Oh, no, on occasion I make reference to them, but, no, man, but, no.
I just want to get it clear.
Right, so right.
So tell me something now, Raga.
Yes, sir.
You don't have no mix-up and blender in about hear me?
Yeah.
It's only you can open the park and close it back.
Please, I don't.
Yeah?
No, I don't want people to get for Uncle Desi case, you know. So.
No, because, Raga, I go past down there every day since, and it locked after your show. You one of them realize that you're a powerful man in this country?
Me? No, sir.
Of course you are.
I am not, sir. I am not.
No, man, what a Raga. You know that too, you know?
No.
That's why you get so much fight.
But I don't, I don't say certain things because it just increase me being a target.
You know, you really want no Raga.
Yeah.
You're on a different station. You all me want you do.
Yes, sir.
Just get certain people off your back by doing the right thing. The format are going to change a bit. But you have to know, say what. You see, from certain people are going to put your back at all time.
Yeah.
You just have to do the right thing. You see me?
Which is what? Which is what?
It might be, for instance, there is a lot of things people might believe that you said might be out of line.
Right.
I have a problem with your program in Iraq.
Right.
I have no problem.
Right.
I listen when I get the chance, but I'm saying what about the other people? Remember when you did up to the amount of...
Well on. I'm going to say something and I want you to listen me clearly now. You see, when people like Carlin Cooper speak to me in a respectful way and phrase their suggestions in a way that it's obvious they're not being condescending and demeaning and they're not being classist and elitist and rude.
I remember, Raga.
Hold on.
So when they use word like condescending, you have to break it right.
Oh, okay. When she speak to me in a way where it not come over as if she better than me. As if me a garbage or something or me a idiot or whatever. And what she has to make sense. I will listen. But you see, with respect to the other people them who don't like me and them, listen to me. They can kiss my you know what, I don't care. I don't care. I really don't care. And they can talk anything them want talk. And listen to me, they can lay their lips on the full surface of my posterior. I don't care. Them can't go about them business. Me not there as if a plea. Me, you see me, I look friend from them.
But you cannot.
My mama, who love me. And my mama fight hard for me, go school and everything, and me alright. So them can't talk anything them want to. Me nah look them don't butter my brother man in time, and me nah look upon them. Them is a set of nastiness and hypocrisy, that me say.
We all know, because I hear you, like the night before you was speaking on the program, and you said it all. I don't believe not was left for you to say it.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Which night?
What happened? You were saying something. This country is full of so much hypocrisy. Where when one people say it's fine,
right?
When the other person said it is a problem,
right?
Why? Is it because none of we not supposed to live from down there and come up there with them? Is it that?
Well, it's a very complicated, but that is one thing. They consider themselves at the top, right? And one of the privileges you have based on their paradigm when you arrive is that you have the privilege of being on the radio, for example. You understand? So when somebody like me, come and meet up on the radio, and me I go on with my little thing and whatever, for them mind, bring down the standard of the radio and me I make it look like, say, the people who them consider below them, me basically I put them on the same level as them, you understand? But nobody now go tell you, say, them uncomfortable because you're imposing on them space. Them now go say them thing there, Them going to say, oh, it's not uplifting and it's damaging to the children, as if it's nothing about them and it's about the children and the nation and whatever. And this. Me now look upon them.
Because the issue that you discuss on your program,
right,
is a wide issue, but most people discuss it behind closed doors. Them don't want.
Very important point. Them
don't want to hear it out in the public because it is supposed to be as you hear people discuss this. So when you bring something like this, because watch a man, is when you are there at a radio station, I get some cussing for you.
Right.
Call me all kind of name, then call you all kind of name, and I defend you same way because I said the man have an issue, the man have an audience. So
well, let me show you something. Me say mix up. The point where you make in terms of the public-private construction, the cultural thing. There are certain things you say in public, there are certain things you say in private. And clearly I breach many of the rules associated with those construction. Many times I had amongst both the people and them talk the business of them top people and whatever. And when me tell us a mix up there, man. When just recently, me among some people and they were in great detail, but we talk about a very powerful person we all know. who they with him, who are from him wife, sister, and him wife, friend. And them know names and them know when go do it and everything and whatever. And these are the same people who always tell me, say me must this and that. And
so their problem, Raga, is that they believe you know their business and you might bring it out in the open?
That is part of it, but even bigger for them, it's this thing where once you're on radio, you're supposed to conduct, you're not supposed to talk about, expose those type of things. I don't know if you see the difference.
Yes, Raga, and you continue to mention the class thing, which we know are very, very... In other words, in Jamaica, the class thing is very, very good up there. When I say very good...
Good, you mean it is very strong?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. When I use the word good, I don't... Good, some people might use it in a different form. It is very strong, but we want people to understand that the classism is not going to go away in this country.
Will never go. You know why? In the Jamaica is and just allow me to use one of them bossiter. Jamaica is strongly preoccupied with stratification. So strong that stratification is Jamaica is a highly stratified society in terms of hold on. Some people they are the top, some people they are the middle, some people they are the bottom. It is so strong that people from other Caribbean islands come here and they are taken aback how strong it is here. Right?
Raga.
Yeah.
No.
What may I say? No. That's why I just say it and then break it down for you. You understand? What may I say is, see, when you go amongst the people and with Ph.D, almost always, when you say Dr. So and so, them get very uncomfortable right to me. I say, no, Bob, Sharon or Paula.
Yes.
Them don't, unless you really are undergrad and look at it, them don't even like when you call them. You understand what I say? You see, in our country, title is so important to the point where it gets so ridiculous. Yeah, people have put BA back at them name. And in terms of protocol, you're not supposed to do that. That is so butu, really, you know. You understand? Right? You have people, them so preoccupied with that. You have some people, them get this and that, and them tell you, they are telling you, you must call them Dr. So-and-so because they earned it and this and that and all. You understand what I say?
And it come back to that's why so many people have problem with you. It come back to that, you know.
But I know that.
It come right back to that because what? You are not supposed to come from down there and go up there and act as if you are still down there. Them no want that.
Exactly.
The way that they want you to act, and it's not going to work.
And with all due respect, you see this down and up thing is not really down and up, you know. It's really an expansion.
Yes.
It's really an horizontal expansion. And let me give you a metaphor. Jamaicans, they grow and they start to believe that the branches that they put on their trees are the roots of the tree. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
They start to believe that the branches that are so high up in the tree are more important than the root where them come from. And the funny thing is, when crosses and drama reach them, all they hear them and whatever. When crosses and drama reach them and thing and whatever, them go right back to the root there where them know. You understand?
You see the thing about it, Raga?
Yeah.
How much of these people tell you they are in big position now? How much of these people discuss where they originate from? How much of them? Few of them are here talk.
Them don't do it. And you know what? You know when them do it? You see, when you're going, them ready for tell you, I used to carry water, I used to so and so and what they fail to realize, they keep saying, I used to, which is demonstrating, articulating that they do so no more, and they have no need to refer that. So them just invoke it when it's convenient for them to look cool.
That's why I defend you all the while, and I talk on program from time to time, and I mention you because what? You continue to speak of where you're coming from. You continue to do it, and a lot of us need to understand that.
Listen, we have to go break right now, but we just want some respect for your reasoning and respect for your feedback and all them things that. No, and listen, we stand up strong, you know. We stand up strong.
You know, so me hardly have any mix-up, you know, but we can't hold a reasonable argument.
All right, Papa.
So take care, Raga.
Yeah, man, protection and strength here.